muscle activation technique, drawing in crunches. The drawing in crunches we use to activate the weight belt of your body that helps to protect your low back and assist with spinal stabilization. We're trying to engage what we call the transversus abdominis, or the transverse abdominis. So, in order to perform this, you lay on your back, press the low back down to the ground as hard as you can. You'll notice the pelvis tilt up slightly. Now, initially, your stomach will push up because you're using your six-pack muscle or your rectus abdominis. We want to pull in the transversus abdominis, which is just under the belly button. So we pull in at the same time as we're applying pressure with your low back on the ground. This engages all of the core muscles to include your diaphragm, which should make it very difficult to breathe. So draw in, pull that core in, hands stay flat on the ground, exhale up, and crunch, pulling the core in at the top of the movement. Inhale back down, maintaining pressure and tension on the core. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. If you're doing this properly, this should be a pretty intense isolation of the core, but specifically just lower than your belly button.